series of our videos. If you haven't subscribed, please ensure you do so. An object of mass 2.00 kg is oscillating freely on a vertical spring with a period 0.600 seconds. Another object of unknown mass of the same spring, so it's important to take note of the same spring, oscillates with a period of 1.05 seconds. Find the spring constant K. B, the unknown mass. Right. So, to find the spring constant, we are going to use this equation here, the one that we have written here. So, period is equal to 2 pi, this square root here, m over k. This small letter m, it's the mass, then k is the spring constant. So, we have been given the period to be 0.6, so this is what we have substituted there. Then the pi, we all know that the pi is 3.14, which is here. Then the mass that we have been given 2 kg. This is what we have written here. Then we want to find the spring constant. Right, so at this point we can write the expression in this format. So after doing so, we can now do the cross multiplication, and when we do the cross multiplication, we are getting this expression here. So at this point now, we are dividing both sides with 0.6, which is we have written here. So when we do that, we are remaining with the square root of k with this expression on the right hand side. So to remove the square root of k, we introduce the power 2. So when we do that, so to remove the square root of k, we'll square the k and also square this expression on the right hand side. So when we do that, we're finding our k, or spring constant, to be 219.381422 newtons per meter, which we have written in 4 significant figures to be 219.4 newton per meter. So let's do question B. So question B, they want us to find the unknown mass. So we have been given the period to be 1.05 seconds, which we have substituted there. We are using the same equation. So pi is 3.142. That's our pi value. So we want now to find the unknown mass. Then we have found the k, which is the spring constant, to be 219.4, which we have written here. So at this point, we just do a cross multiplication, and when you do the cross multiplication, we are getting this expression here. So when we further continue simplifying our expression, we'll get an expression which is here. The square root of mass is equal to 2.474871.353. So to remain with the mass, we need to simplify the square root. So to do that, we'll introduce the square 2 or the power 2 both sides, left hand side and right hand side, and this is what we have done here. And when we do that, we are finding our mass or unknown mass to be 6.124988212 kg, which we have written in 4 significant figures to be 6.125 kg, which is here. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel.